There is someone lives over there, believe it or not, in this beautiful painting. Oh my god. Hey friends, welcome back. I'm here, well, I'm outside a few kilometers from Damogati city here in the beautiful country of Philippines. And of course today's video we are gonna continue this journey from the previous video, exploring, wandering and getting lost, and oh my god man, it is amazing. Ta-da-da! Let's see what today's story is about. Oh my god man, the scenery is riding in this whole country. It's amazing. Look at that for a view. Oh my god. Absolutely stunning. Freedom at its finest, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my god. Look at this. It makes me want to cry. The tears of joy, of course. Hello. Kumusta ka? They're so cute. I love them. I love the Filipinos, man. I love their energy. We're back on the main road. And not a clue where we have to, but my god, look at these coastlines. Woo! Amazing, like. Gorgeous. The color of the water is amazing. So I've been riding for quite some time. And I arrived to here. Hello.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good.
Yeah? Mabuti la.
Mabuti lang.
And I do want some fruit.
Yeah.
I want some fruit. What is this?
What kind of fruit? That's
Is this banana?
yes.
Fried banana?
Yeah.
Yeah?
And this one, banana also.
This is banana too?
Yes.
And this?
Kamote, like a potato chips.
Potato chips?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay, we'll get...
You want?
Yes, yes.
How
One.
many?
Wait. Let me get fruit first. I want fruit. I want banana.
You want buko?
Buko? What's
Yeah.
that? What is this?
Buko juice.
Buko juice. What is that?
Sa gani na English ay na coconut.
Coconut?
Yeah.
Coconut.
Yes.
How much is this?
20 pesos only.
20 pesos. Okay, give me one, please.
Okay.
Okay. It's all random here. You know, you gotta try. We're gonna get. Oh, this is a great find, by the way. I'm so happy with it. And she's pouring it there, and you can see there are some. Salamat po. Thank you. I don't know what that is, but that looks like the coconut, right? Taste test. Oh wow, that is actually amazing. This is really good.
Yeah.
Very good. It's all coconut?
Yes.
Wow, it's so sweet.
Coconut with milk.
Milk, yeah? Nice, it's super nice. I can't describe it. It's just sweet and you can taste the coconut as well. Oh my god. We need more things. We'll buy. Okay. Let's get bananas. I want 2 bananas.
What kind of banana? This one? This
What's the best banana?
one? This one. It's in this one.
Okay, give me one of this and one of this.
Okay.
This is 2. Beautiful. Something good. And look here, like this is sweet potato and this is normal potato. Very nice shack we found.
In Philippines, kamote.
Kamuti.
Yes.
This here is kamuti?
Yes.
Ah, okay. Looks like potato. And this is sweet potato.
Yeah.
Ah, very nice. Okay, let's get to the fry stuff. Okay, you said this is like potato, fried potato,
Yeah.
and it's sweet or salty?
Right?
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay, I try. How much is this?
10 pesos only.
10 pesos. Okay, let's try this. This is how it looks. Look. Amazing. Taste test. Random. Oh, it's like she put caramelized This brown things that you see is like caramelization, you know, on it. Super tasty. Really good. I think this is the sweet potato, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's really good. I like it. Okay. Next. Can you like put it in a bag?
Oh, you sure?
Ah, okay.
How many?
Because I want to try this and this as well, you know. So we can get one of this.
Okay.
Oh, give me that here. Yeah.
Okay.
No, in the bag,
Okay.
please. Yes.
Only one?
Yeah. Oh, put it. It's okay. It's fine.
Okay.
And two of these.
Okay.
Let's try that too. Amazing. Look, the locals, they pull over like this and they have a crack at it. Well, he's probably gonna eat this while riding, like, you know. Can you put that as well?
Okay.
Okay. Now she empty it, like, you know, she takes out the stick. Oh no, it's with the stick. Yes, perfect. I take this, perfect. And that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you, bye-bye. Thank you. Amping. I love them. I just love them. Right, we're sorted. My mouth is full of coconut. Oh, that was so good, that juice. I think I don't know which way I go. Like, I'm gonna go this way. But if I have to come back the same way, I'm definitely stopping for for another round. Anyway, Tarana, let's go wherever we're going. We're stacking up. We might go to a waterfall if we find it, of course. Woohoo! A river is always a good sign. Oh my God, look at this for a view, man. Oh man, that is super gorgeous. Amazing. Where there is a river, there's a high chance there is a waterfall. And it's getting hot, so I need to dip somewhere, you know. I love it, man. I love this. Wow. Oh, there's a restaurant there. Maybe on the way back. We are stocked up on food at the moment. That's good. Oh wow, look at this, man. This is the thermals. These are all thermals here. You can see, oh, you can smell it as well. I can smell it. This is all natural, by the way. There's no work in progress. Ignore the yellow signs here. You can see it, look. This is hot, boiling, definitely. And you can smell it. Wow. Oh my God. That's amazing, actually. And you can tell, like, from the color, you know, the color is changed to orange. What's the name of it? I can't remember. The thermals. Oh, I can't remember. Wow. This is all natural, by the way. Incredible. And it's super hot. I can feel the heat coming out from it. And the smell, like, the smell stinks. What is the name of it? I can't remember. Like, I know it, I just can't remember. So I saw a sign that says falls, something falls, the name of the falls. Okay, I didn't really pay attention too much to it, but I made the turn anyway. Now look at this, okay? I'm on the way. It says 1 kilometer, which is not far. That's good. But look what I'm passing by. I'm on a bridge right now, and this is what I'm looking at. This is part of what we saw just earlier. I can't remember the name of the thing. And it's turning it into orange color, but not all of it. Here is a mixture between normal water and those thermal water, I believe. Oh my God, it's so gorgeous. Very beautiful. Let's head over to the waterfall. It's getting hot and I need a dip. Right, so I'm passing by here, okay? I just parked. Lucky chance, like I was passing by, I saw this like super colorful, caught my attention. And it says Chada Red Rock Hot Spring, Valencia. and that's where I am in this region. And I asked this lady, and she told me I can have a look. Let me have a look. 2009 Hot Rock Hot Spring. I love the art. It's amazing. And you are now entering a stress-free zone. Oh, I love it. By the way, there is entrance fee, and the cost is 100. She told me, and she said you can have a look. It's free. It's fine. And well, we are having a look, and this is it. So on entrance, you get the seating here, and there is a pool. I could imagine that this is actually hot as well, you know, because Red Rock Hot Spring Resort, like that's the idea, right? And there are some people there. And we're going down here, and you can see, look, this must be warm. Yeah, it is warm. It is warm, yeah, it is. No, it's not as warm as I would expect, because it should be actually warmer than this, but it is warm. Okay, and we're going down even further. The design is amazing, and it's part of like the hot spring that we just saw, you know, earlier. And here, let's try it here. Yeah, this is hotter now than the one up. I can feel it, even though like it's coming more or less like there, but I think because it's staying here for a while, I'm probably also exposed to the sun much more. So there are like seatings here, and there are people. Hello. Hi, how are you? How are you? And that's pretty much it, actually. And absolutely gorgeous, you know, really beautiful, really nice. I like it a lot, but there is not much else. This is it. And I love the way how they say it's you're entering a stress-free zone, which absolutely makes sense, because it is a place where you chill. But I can also chill at the waterfall when I find it. So you had a look at this if you ever wondered, and if you ever wanted to come, you can see, well, you can see it from this video and decide whether you want to stay or not. Thank you, my dear. Bye bye. Yes, let's go and find a waterfall, because I think I could chill at the waterfall too. Tara na, let's go. Welcome to Pulangabato Falls Mountain Resort. And oh my god, look at this for a view. Oh my god. Oh man, that is so stunning. Absolutely gorgeous. Philippines, you are gorgeous. You're so beautiful. All right, where are we gonna park? Here, motorcycle parking, motor parking. Let's park it here. I see like there's the entrance. All right, entrance to Pulangabato Waterfall. This way. Not too shabby. Looks promising. You pay here, it says, so obviously they're charging for natural. I really hate that, but it's okay. You see how much it is. Pay here. Hello, kumusta ka? Mabuti. How much is it?
100.
100 for a waterfall? Wow. Your island is more expensive than Cebu Island. Yeah. All right, let me pay up. We're gonna chill here for a bit. I paid 100 to get in. They give you this here, all right? Like he started laughing when he was like put it around my wrist, and he was saying like, "This is what makes it expensive." I was like, "Of course, you're printing these while you're sitting there. They're charging people money, you know. Of course, it's gonna get expensive." But I do understand why they're charging money. Like they built things around it. It's not 100% natural. Well, it is. The waterfall, it is, but they built like, you know, they made it friendly. For instance, that's what I mean. No vehicles behind this point. Clothing is optional. I love that. And yeah, you can see the way how it is here. There's a restaurant. Well, not a restaurant. Let's say a cafe. And he said to me there are 2 waterfalls. Okay. So there's this one here, and you can see like they built it like a swimming pool, you know. So it's they did some work into it, and obviously they're charging for that. And to be fair, like for something like this, I don't mind paying for. But when it's just natural, and you're charging people just because, you know, you can, it's not nice. And he also told me that this is the, what is it called? He said the sulfur waterfall, and that's what we saw, sulfur. You see all the orange there? This is a sulfur waterfall. Incredible, you know. And to be fair, like, I mean, you can relax in both places, right? Like in the place over where we made the previous stop, and you can also relax here. They're the same rate, both of them. And if I have to choose, I choose correctly. I'm actually more happy to be here than over there, and it is definitely worth it. And this is going to be my time to chill. And I'm gonna put an end to this video. If you have made it this far, thank you all for watching. Please do consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. Give the video a thumbs up. It helps me and it helps with the algorithms. And as always, see you on the next one.